Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing 3 DIYs for Ramadan. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and give me a thumbs up if you like DIY videos. For the first DIY, you're going to need a 8x11 frame. You can choose any color or frame you like. I'm using white because that's what I had available. So I'm taking out the back and the glass of the frame so I can measure the paper. I am using a scrapbook paper that I bought from my craft store, and I'm going to flip the paper and measure the glass. So it is easy to put it in the frame. Then I'm just going to cut it with the scissor and put everything back together in the frame. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to use these black stickers and rhinestone stickers to decorate the frame. First, I'm putting the rectangle sticker where you can write down different days of Ramadan. And then I'm going to write down the words Day of Ramadan with the black stickers. And now I'm placing 2 more of the silver rhinestone sticker where you can write the timings for suhoor and iftar. Then I'm going to write down the words suhoor and iftar in front of each. Here is the final look. I thought it turned out really nice. I will be using it every year inshallah for Ramadan. If you like, you can change the craft paper every year to make it look different. For the second DIY, I am using a pink velvet pillow that I bought from Amazon. And I'm also going to be using this gold iron-on tape to write Ramadan. Here, as you can see, I already wrote the letter R because I wanted to make sure it worked before showing to you guys. So I cut the tape in half because the tape was too thick. And then I am cutting the tape in different sizes to make the letters. As you can see, I'm putting each piece by itself and putting a printer paper on top and then ironing it for a few seconds. After the pillow was ready, I inserted a pillow insert in the pillowcase, and here is the final look of the pillow. My last DIY, I am making a decorative flower vase. The things you're gonna need is some gold ornaments, a circle foam, 4 red roses, and a circle clear shape vase. First, I'm going to measure the mouth of the vase on the top of the foam. I tried with a pen and a marker, but I wasn't able to mark the exact measurements, so I decided to just make the shape freehand. To cut the shape, I will be using a knife. After I got the desired shape I wanted for the foam, I was ready to assemble the vase. First, I put the ornaments in the vase and then I put the cut foam on top. Next, I will take out the red roses stems and start to place them around the foam. After putting everything together, I saw that the foam is sticking out in the vase, so I decided to make it thinner. After cutting the foam, I wanted to hot glue the roses in their spots so they don't fall out. Here's the final look of the vase. I also decided to put some fairy lights to make it stand out more. Well, that's all for today, you guys. I hope you like these 3 DIYs, and if you make any of them, please send me a pic on my Instagram. I will leave the link down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified for new videos. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Alright, bye.